So Firstline is our most advanced manufacturing concept, specifically designed for the highly critical drugs and the biotech market. It's a production platform, but it's also a product specification and mainly product specifications. And to meet these most stringent specifications, we have come up with a design, a concept where we combine the best cleanroom technology with the highest level of automation, camera inspection technology, state of the art, and a unique washing process. And it's also about the flow, about the layout, where we have the optimal flow for materials and people. And all this to support our zero defect philosophy. The trigger to develop Firstline was in fact the never-ending strive of our customers to always better and cleaner components in combination with their injectable drugs for patient safety. And it's not so much our ambition to meet today's requirements, but more important to meet future requirements that we work together with them. We developed together with our customers this new concept to be ready also for the future. Meanwhile, we have 3 Firstline facilities globally. The first one was built in Belgium, catering the European market and at that time even the global market. But since it was very soon already a success, we needed to decide where to expand, how to create extra capacity. And it was clear that our customers wanted us to make this available in the 3 continents. And that's why it was easy for us to decide early on to develop a plan, a global plan, to also foresee it in Asia, meanwhile built in India, and in the Americans, meanwhile built in the USA. So we can state today that this concept, which supports a flexible supply chain to our customers based on the same quality standards, gives a high level of business continuity and security to our customers. And having this now available in the 3 markets, I think we can state that we are unique in this concept in our industry. Additional advantages for our customers are that it is local for local, which gives this flexible supply chain, but also with shorter lead times. Typically we talk about 6 weeks for standard components in this global footprint, which is easy to qualify between the different sites, which has proven its value during COVID for multiple customers. So triggered by COVID, we decided very soon to accelerate our investments in capacity in the 3 Firstline facilities. This way we were able to meet customer demand during COVID, which was a high increase. But now with the slowdown of COVID, we have of course some idle capacity which we can use to serve our, let's say, short-term customer needs in the respective areas, both for coated and for uncoated products. Yes, in these Firstline facilities, we produce all our coated components. So that means our OmniFlex stoppers for vials, but also our NeoFlex plungers for the prefilled syringes and for the cartridges. And besides that, also a very broad product portfolio of uncoated products, all based on our high-end elastomers to meet customer requirements. Why should our customers choose Firstline? I would say 2 keywords. It's about quality and reliability. And talking about quality, it's our zero defect philosophy in combination with the highest level of cleanliness, where we lower the level of particulate and biocontamination. And we do this in combination with using our cleanest elastomers and, where needed, in combination with a fluoropolymer coating to minimize the level of ENL, extractables and leachables. Reliability on the other side, this is about what we mentioned, the local for local in a global network with the same quality and process standards, so we can offer our customers a very reliable, flexible supply chain based on risk mitigation to ensure business continuity globally. Let's zoom in briefly on our OmniFlex and NeoFlex products, which, as I mentioned, are produced in these Firstline facilities. This is a technology platform based on proprietary fluoropolymer spray coating processes which they developed in-house with the clear focus on meeting barrier properties for the very sensitive large molecules. Key features are that we use as base material our cleanest compound, FM457, which we combine with a spray coating technology, which is guaranteeing full coverage of the surface, and this way providing a barrier to have the minimal level of extractables and leachables. What is also important to mention, it's a thin, flexible layer with a very low coefficient of friction, and this allows to use it without silicon, meeting machinability properties and even plunger functionality. Firstline is only one of the 3 production standards that we support within the Datwyler global network. It's the highest one, as we mentioned, mainly focused on the highly critical drugs and the biotech market. But besides that, we also have advanced. It's a reliable and proven production standards, meeting the quality and regulatory needs of, let's say, the more regular pharmaceutical industry. And then last but not least, we also have Essential, which is mainly focused on the medical market. If you want to visit our Firstline facility, we can offer you a unique experience. As mentioned, it's based on a greenfield layout, so we took into account the need for the customers, and we have installed in these plants a dedicated visitor corridor where you can see through big windows the different process steps without interfering with this clean room, high clean concept in our operations. And if you want to book a tour or get more information, you can get in touch with our Datwyler representatives, of course.